How to enable Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can optimize your call qualities on your iPhones. So for this, you're going to go on ahead and go into your settings tab. Once you do that, you're going to go into phone. You can search for it on the top. And once you go into phone over here, you're going to proceed with Wi-Fi calling and toggle it on to make calls over Wi-Fi when your cellular signals are weak. So if you want, you can also just search for Wi-Fi calling, and this will show you your option to enable Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone. Make sure you do have your mobile service set up before you turn on this particular tool. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below.